Hey, what's up guys? Today is a very special day. I'm finally holding in my hands the in-ear monitors. I've been dreaming of Empire ears. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, just make like this. Okay. Just okay. Oops. Wow! Look at this. Wow! That's like the first off the packaging is next level. Do you see? Wow! Yo, my God! It's very perfect, like like an apple. Wow. Okay. How this open? Oh yeah. Whoa, yeah. Look at this, guys. Whoa, this clean cracker, I guess. Yeah. Empire, you see? Jesus. It's like Ferrari. Okay, what is it? Okay, wow. The premium ears, you see? Wow, the sticker. You see? Okay. 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 What's the next? Wow. Oh. Oh. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, guy. Look at this. Wow. Oh my God, this solid. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this, guy. It's a metal, solid metal. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. That's exactly what you expect from the brand like Empire ears. That exactly. Oh my God. That was cool. Look at this. Wow, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Haha. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay. Okay. Wow, just was amazing. Just was amazing. So, what I want to say, big thanks to Empire Ears for this insane craftsmanship. This is just beginning. Stay tuned, I will be testing this on stage, in the studio, and sharing this with you guys. And very important what I want to say, because when sound matters, Empire delivers. See you guys.